Hey guys, welcome to Basic Chinese lesson 86. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 豆浆、自来水、矿泉水、椰子水、鸡尾酒、可口可乐、芬达、雪碧。If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 85 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have 救护车、救护车、救护车、护士、护士、护士。The meaning of 救护车 is ambulance, and the meaning of 护士 is nurse. So 救护车 is ambulance, and 护士 is nurse. Once again, 救护车 is ambulance, and 护士 is nurse. Let's read together. 救护车，救护车，救护车。护士，护士，护士。The next slide, we have 赢，赢，赢。升，升，升。The meaning of 赢 is win, and the meaning of 升 is deep. So 赢 is win, and 深 is deep. Once again, 赢 is win, and 深 is deep. Let's read together. 赢，赢，赢。深，深，深。Another vocabs here, we have 钱，钱，钱。穷，穷，穷。The meaning of 钱 is shallow, and the meaning of 穷 is poor. So 钱 is shallow, and 穷 is poor. Once again, 钱 is shallow, and 穷 is poor. Let's read together. 钱，钱，钱。穷，穷，穷。And we also have another two vocabs here. 富，富，富。承认，承认，承认。The meaning of 富 is rich, and the meaning of 承认 is admit. So 富 is rich, and 承认 is admit. Once again, 富 is rich, and 承认 is admit. Let's read together. 富，富，富。承认，承认，承认。And that's all guys for today's lesson. Don't forget to review the vocabs that we have learned today. See you guys in our next lesson.